Monster Mutt Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Mutt Rottweiler Series 37. On the back of the card, Monster Mutt Rottweiler is in Retro Rebels, the first edition of Monster Mutt Rottweiler, making its way into the Spin Master line. We have Dragon, El Toro Loco, Gravedigger, Megalodon, Overboard, Horsepower, Zombie, and Scavenger. Out of the package, here is Monster Mutt Rottweiler with the gray wheels, and then see the gray chassis and the black roll cage onto the body itself. And I saw that Monster Mutt Rottweiler debuted in January of 2011 on the Monster Jam website. I looked it up just to see for myself when it came out. Also, I Googled pictures and stuff because on the truck here it just says Monster Mutt, and also on the package here where they have the names, it just says Monster Mutt. So I thought it had Monster Mutt Rottweiler on the side of the truck. But after doing some little research, Googling, and this is what it had. It just said Monster Mutt. They have the Monster Jam logo, which is kind of misplaced because it's supposed to be back here. I saw one of the pictures of this truck, as I just mentioned, and it might have been a different picture, but it had the Monster Jam logo in the back here where my thumb was. And so here it is, the teeth, there's the tongue, the nose, and the snout and everything. Brown on this side, brownish color on both sides. The other side, we get the ears that flap down, and they stay down, which is really nice due to what the truck really looked like. And there is some texture on the ears itself and also on the tail. Now on the back here, on the dog tag, it just says Monster Mutt. And that's the dog tag back there. So that does the unboxing and review here on Monster Truck Classics of Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Very nice to have him in the Spin Master Monster Jam line. So thank you for tuning in.